Hi, this is EURUSD and today it's Wednesday, 3rd of July 2013, and we are looking at the 8-4 time frame of the pair. And I'm using the combination of three indicators: Bollinger Bands, Bill Williams Alligator, the three colored lines, and Bill Williams Fractals, the purple arrows. The pair, after a very big upward move and then a corrective fall, a corrective downward move, looks like it is determined to resume its uptrend. We are using this system on the 8-4 chart, and we will pick our entry point using smaller time frames. The main criterion is that we have a valid bullish reversal fractal on the lower Bollinger Band. This is what we see here. To see a fractal formed, a set of 5 candlesticks is necessary. One candlestick is the central one, 2 on the right, and 2 on the left. So we only saw this fractal formed when this candlestick was closed. Okay, that gives us a lagging signal. It is a bit delayed, but it is more valid, it is more secure, more confirmed. Okay, so this is the current H4 candlestick, and we will enter long, we will buy. We see first of all that this fractal was a bullish reversal fractal because it was on the lower Bollinger Band. Of course it was below alligator's teeth, the red line, and the leading alligator is curved upwards, very, very important element. We also see that the edges, we always pay attention to the edges of the Bollinger Bands. The lower edge of the Bollinger Band is turned slightly, it's horizontal, it's going to turn upwards. We want to see that, okay? The upper Bollinger Band is also turned inwards, which shows that this downward move, this upward move is stopped. It will not last longer, that's what it says. But since we see that leading alligator is curved upwards, which is a more sensitive indicator, and since we have this space till the upper Bollinger Band, we believe that there is the chance for the price to go higher, at least for this distance here. We will go to smaller time frames. We want to see leading alligator curved upwards or going straight up to all time frames before we enter. So it is curved upwards, it's turned straight upwards on H1 time frame, and we see that the edges of the Bollinger Band are open, which shows that we should expect extreme price action on the Bollinger Band where the price is, and the price is moving on the upper Bollinger Band here. If we go to M30, we see that leading alligator is going straight up. The price is moving on the upper Bollinger Band. Although we had a bearish candlestick, the last candlestick is bearish, we see that the lower Bollinger Band is not only horizontal, it's also curved upwards, which shows that there is no more downward move, and it goes parallel to the upper Bollinger Band, which goes straight up, and it shows that there is space for more expansion. Okay, Bollinger Bands are elastic. They show the rubber effect, and they expand to contain price volatility. They always contain price. Okay, so if they are prepared, They do whatever is necessary to contain price action. So if you see them taking shapes like this, it means that price will go upwards because they want to contain it. Okay. M30 gives us a green light. Let's go to M15. M15 shows that there is that leading alligator is slightly curved downwards. So the upper Bollinger Band is curved downwards also. It acts as a brake, and it says no more upward move for now, and maybe we should expect a sideways movement like this on the median line of the Bollinger Bands. Okay, the 20 SMA, 20 simple moving average. So the M15 chart maybe tells us to wait for a while. Let's go to the M5 chart to see what is going on. The M5 chart shows that the leading alligator is curved downwards, and yes, we see a downward move. So it is wise for us to wait for this downward move to be completed and to see the leading alligator turned upwards again before we enter. Okay, we wait for this downward move to finish before we enter. And we go to the M1 chart, and here we see that leading alligator is falling down, so we should wait till we see this picture reversed. Something seems to happen here. We will wait to see bullish candlesticks on the lower Bollinger Band. We wait to see the lower Bollinger Band going horizontal or even curved upwards. Leading alligator curved upwards. We will go back to M5 to see the picture turned more bullish. And when these two time frames are clearly bullish, you see that the edge of the lower Bollinger Band starts being almost horizontal. It depends on the next candlestick. If the next candlestick is bullish, it will be horizontal and slightly curved upwards to contain the price. But it's bearish, it may go even lower, we will see. So this is how you wait, you monitor the price action from the smaller time frames, and once you are definitely sure that price goes up, you enter at the level of 1.3000. This is a level of reference for your entry. Of course, the lower you enter, the better, but maybe you should leave some pips on the table than enter prematurely and experience losses. You see how the edge of the lower Bollinger Band is now turned upwards after this bullish candlestick, but the leading alligator keeps falling, so we will wait on the M1 time frame to see the leading alligator curved upwards. When we see it curved upwards, then we will go to the M5 time frame to see a leading alligator clearly turned upwards, and then to M15. Let's go to M5 to see if there is any difference. No difference yet, it's falling. So there is no difference on M15, of course, yet, because it's still curved downwards. We want a big difference here first, and then it will reflect to M5, to M15. And once we see everything bullish on smaller time frames, 100% bullish here, 100% bullish here, 100% bullish here, and 100% bullish here as it is, and 100% bullish on the H1 time frame, then we enter long, we buy. We place our stop here about 100 pips below our entry at 1.2900 level, below this valid bullish reversal candlestick, bullish reversal fractal on the H4 time frame. Okay, this is where we put our stop. Our take profit target. Well, looking at the chart, we see that theoretically the upper level, the upper border of the price action is the upper Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band for now is turned inwards, so if we put an horizontal, if we insert a horizontal line here, it will show a price level of 1.3088. So we expect a minimum of 85 pips, okay? But things may change as the momentum, as the bullish momentum builds up. What does it mean? It means that the upper Bollinger Band, its edge may turn outwards to contain future price action, and we may see an expansion here, and maybe the price will go even higher. We can't predict that. We are not prophets, we are not oracles. Okay, avoid to be oracle. Just minimize your expectations, and it's always safer to expect less and get more on your way during the trade. So after the financial data releases about the optimistic news about the manufacturing sector of the Eurozone, it looks like Euro is getting a bit stronger against the already strong US dollar, and it looks like it's going to fulfill its dream of reaching 1.32. But again, it's early to say that. Okay, if it manages to go above these levels here, above these levels of resistance, yes, it will reach 32 and even 1.34. But for now it's early to say. So thanks for watching and happy pips.